Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If your vehicle has poor acceleration, reduced engine power, high fuel consumption, rough idling, or the check engine light is on, one possible cause could be a faulty MAP sensor. In today's video, we're going to learn everything about the MAP sensor, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, in a simple and easy to understand way. Now let's understand what a MAP sensor actually is. MAP stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. It is one of the most important sensors in the engine management system. Its primary job is to continuously measure the air pressure or vacuum inside the intake manifold. As the engine runs, the pressure inside the intake manifold changes every second depending on engine speed and throttle opening. The MAP sensor detects these pressure changes and converts them into an electrical signal that is sent to the engine control unit, ECU. The ECU does not rely only on the MAP sensor. It also combines information from the engine speed sensor, throttle position sensor, TPS, intake air temperature, IAT sensor, and oxygen sensor to calculate the engine's operating conditions accurately. Based on this information, the ECU determines the correct amount of fuel to inject, the proper ignition timing, the engine load, whether a turbocharged engine is producing the correct boost pressure. If the MAP sensor sends incorrect information, the ECU makes incorrect calculations, which can lead to poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and drivability issues.